Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to change your wallpaper in your Windows 10. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, let's now go to my PC. Okay, it's so easy guys. First of all, let's get some pictures, some wallpaper. Here it's amazing website, wallpapers craft. So here there exist many wallpapers. We can select anyone. As you can see here, we can filter by categories. Fantasy one. Let's say we want to select this one. Okay, simply click here in the picture in the wallpapers. Okay, and download the HD resolution. That's it, full HD as you can see. Okay, click download wallpaper. Okay, now right click, save image as. Okay, download, or we can put the desktop if you want. Save. Okay, now as you can see, simply right click and select set as desktop background. As you can see, now we have a new wallpaper. That's it guys, it's so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you later.